Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Usembur Menteri Rangba Kejela ubah senyap halang dahar habaya keren markilat patai kubor mentakasngi kakhatway trik ujemang ulaong. Baka sorkar kan sakhot biang ye gejinyalang bat keharijan panchayat komiti nakabenta ban ye keren hakabaya day bat kejing penkenria ye kibasyong basa hatemio maulong. Bat ye gani ke sorkar kan sapentip ye kapor bat kasngi ban penlong jingyalang. Ubah senyap halang ulaong ru baka sorkar kalade ban pa ye ka affidavit sya ke yeng kashari. Para kaju kapor ka sorkar kadang up ya ka hukum jong ka ying bishar nakabenta ban le ya ka badan kam. Ula ongru banakalyang ka sorkar kala pentip siya ka ying bishar ba ka HPC ka klem menjur ya ka signer na ka blueprint bala penkre ka sorkar ha ka bayaday bat ka jing penkendria na thamyo maulong. Shisho ba senyap halang ula ong ba ka jingdawa jong ki harijan da ka jaka ka bahado arspa square meter bat ka pisa ka ba arpo lak tingka man la ka way pa ka way ka unit ka long ka bamla ban long namar ka day ka jingdawa ka ba he kumban supin kin mau baki long ying jong ki harijan ki ba syong basa hatem yo maulong ki don hadu lai spa sa pu arteli.
Okay, secondly only, can you tell us when will be the meeting between the Harijan Panchayat Committee?
Yeah, that's why we are going to be in Chatsum Station to happen with Sarman of the Network Committee. So maybe next week we will take a call, but not yet fixed the time. So next week. We already filed everything to the court, so at the same time while we are waiting for court order, we have to sit once.
So what does the affidavit say that land belongs?
No, we just filed affidavit, but they replied the Harijan Committee they didn't accept the proposal. Simple, we inform the court. That's level.
So there won't be any change in the government stand?
Let's see. Why we should change the stand?
No, because they are demanding land then.
No, that is not possible. That is frankly not possible. Their demand is too high.
They separately house land.
How? That is the purpose. But in the court, since they have gone to court, we have to wait for the court what they do.